Hello everyone and welcome back to STEAM Night. I'm Miss Mary and this week we're going to make lava lamps. Now this won't be the same lava lamp that maybe your parents had, but this will be just one that you can make with items that you can find around your house. So first we'll need a jar that has a lid on it. Mason jars work great for this. We'll need baking soda, an open box, and you can use the one that's just out of the fridge, vinegar, and regular cooking oil. So what you want to do is just put a few spoonfuls of baking soda at the bottom of your jar. So make sure you fill up the bottom evenly, okay? Right. And that's perfect. So you don't need a lot, just a little bit for the bottom. Right, and if you make a mess, it's fine. Just make sure you clean it up afterwards. Don't make your parents do it for you or any of your caregivers. Next step is to take the vegetable oil and pour it slowly on top of the baking soda. And try not to disturb the baking soda, which means don't let it move too much, because we want that baking soda to stay right at the bottom. So see, I have the baking soda there at the bottom. Ooh, see it disturbed? Yeah. And that is probably too much. You don't need that much. All right. Now we're going to set that aside. And in a separate cup, did I tell you we need food coloring? We need food coloring. So in a separate cup, and I have 2 cups because I want to use 2 colors, we are going to pour our vinegar. Now this smells pretty strong, so make sure you do it outside if you need to. So pour just a bit of vinegar in, and a bit of vinegar in. And then you're going to take the colors you like. So I'm going to choose green, since tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day. And I'm going to choose blue, because I like blue. You can choose whatever colors you want. So add your colors. You don't need a lot to your vinegar. And if you use gel color like I have here, make sure you mix it up very well. So we're just going to drop a little bit in. And let's see what happens. Okay, so that's some green. Let's drop some blue. And it's already starting to react, you see? Okay. So give it a few moments, and so what's happening is the colored vinegar is reacting with the baking soda at the bottom. Oh, that was a big one. Now you can use an oil dropper or any little kind of dropper to get just little bits of this. Let me show you back here what's happening. You see that, how it's starting to go up and come back down? So And this is how you can make a lava lamp. Okay? Well, thank you all for joining me for this week's STEAM night. I hope you have fun making your lava lamps, and I hope you come back and join us again for next week.